Airlines make $60 billion per year from fees alone. Yes, you heard me right. Just from fees alone. And most of it comes from things that they hope you never figure out. I've been in the travel industry for years, and there are secrets that airlines absolutely do not want you to know. You know why? Because it costs them money when you find out. So today, I'm going to share 12 of these secrets that can save you hundreds of dollars, maybe even thousands of dollars on your next trip. I hope you're ready for this video because I'm about to spill the tea. Let's dive right in. Secret number 1, the 12-hour rule goldmine. Here's something that most people don't know. If you book a flight directly with an airline in the United States, you have 24 hours to cancel that flight for a full refund. No questions asked. This isn't airline policy. This is federal law. But here's the kicker. Airlines barely advertise this because they lose money when you use it. You can literally book a flight, see if the price drops the next day, and if it does, cancel your original booking and rebook it at that lower price. I've saved over $400 using this same method for a flight. The airlines hate it, but it's completely legal. Try it the next time that you're booking a flight and come back and tell me how it worked out for you. Or if you have used this secret before, please comment below to tell me how much you saved. It will help other subscribers. Secret number 2, the hidden seat selection trick. Airlines charge you $25 to $50 for seat selection. I hate that. But here's what they don't want you to know. If you check in exactly 24 hours before your flight, premium seats often become available for free. Why? Because their system automatically releases unsold premium seats to regular passengers. I tested this on 5 different airlines last month, and 4 out of 5 times I got seats that would have cost me $35 to $50 for absolutely nothing. Zero, zilch. The key is, listen to this, set that alarm for exactly 24 hours before departure. Before departure, not a minute over. Secret number 3, the compensation you don't know you're entitled to. If your flight is delayed more than 3 hours due to airline fault, and I'm not talking about weather, because they have no control over weather, you would be entitled to compensation up to $675 per passenger. But here's the secret. Airlines will never tell you this voluntarily. You have to ask. Most passengers think that delays are just bad luck. Airlines know this, and they count on it. Last year, airlines saved billions of dollars because passengers did not claim compensation that they were legally entitled to. Don't be one of those passengers. Please claim what you are owed and what you deserve. Secret number 4, the upgrade algorithm that nobody talks about. All right, let's get into it. Airlines have upgrade algorithms that prioritize certain passengers, but it's not just about status. If you're traveling alone, make sure you wear business attire. Arrive early and be polite to the departure gate agents. You're 300% more likely to get an upgrade. Why? Because airlines, listen to this, profile passengers for upgrades based on how they present themselves, because airlines want them to represent their brand in first class. It sounds superficial, but it's true. I've gotten upgraded 15 times in the last 2 years using this knowledge. It's not luck. It's understanding their psychology. Yeah, they want you to dress nice if they upgrade you to first class, for sure. Number 5, the baggage fee loophole. Most airlines have a military exception that waives baggage fees. But here's what they don't advertise. This often extends to military family members traveling separately. I've seen passengers save $150 in baggage fees just by mentioning their spouse's military service. Also, if you have any medical equipment or mobility aids, airlines are required by law to transport them free of charge, even if they exceed normal size limits. I hope you're getting value from this video. And if you are, wait until you see inside of the digital travel bundle I just launched. It's called Airline Secrets 2025, Outsmarting the System from Booking to Boarding. Inside, I have information I don't talk about on this channel because it's exclusive, and airlines won't be happy that I'm disclosing these underground secrets. You don't want to fly without this information. So grab the bundle from the link in the description. Please do. Let's now go into the rapid fire secrets from number 6 to number 12. Here's number 6. Airlines overbook flights by 15%. You want to know why? Well, in most cases, they are expecting some passengers not to show up, especially business class passengers who can change their meeting plans at the last minute. But if you get bumped voluntarily, you can negotiate compensation with the airlines for, listen to this, for up to $1,350. I'm not kidding, you heard right. Secret number 7. Tuesday afternoon is statistically the cheapest time to book your flights. And the main reason is because airlines release their discounted fares on Monday nights. Just so you know. Secret number 8. If you miss a connecting flight due to the airline's delay, it's not your fault, right? So the airline is obligated to provide you with hotel and meal vouchers, even if they say it's weather related. But unfortunately, they're not going to tell you up front. You have to ask. And that's why it's so important to know about these things ahead of time. Secret number 9, airport Wi-Fi passwords are usually the airport code plus current year. So find out what your airport code is and pair it with the year, and that's the password. Secret number 10, TSA pre-check interviews have same-day availability if you call their cancellation line. So don't hesitate in picking up the phone and making that phone call. Secret number 11, airlines must provide you with amenities for flight delays over 2 hours. So when this happens, be sure to ask specifically for meal vouchers. Secret number 12, if your seat is broken, I'm talking about the airplane's TV or seat recliner, you can demand a different seat or partial refund. This is one that many passengers don't know. These secrets exist because airlines profit from them when you don't know about them. But now you do. I've saved thousands of dollars using these same strategies, and you can too. If you want even more deeper insider secrets, including my complete airport navigation system and the exact phrases to use when you're negotiating with airlines, I'll put together a complete guide. The link will also be in the description. And if this video saved you money or taught you something new, hit that subscribe button right now and also the notification bell, because I'm going to release pretty soon insider travel secrets that the airlines really don't want you to know. You don't want to miss that video. Oh, and by the way, remember to grab that exclusive digital travel bundle that I mentioned just now. You will thank me later. See you in the next video, and safe flight.